You want a pear? You want a pear? You don't want to open it?
Dermot, honey. This is from Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, wow, look at all the clothes.
Happy birthday to boy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Dear
dear Dermot.
Dermot. Happy birthday to you. Yay! I'll show them the squirters. Look. Look. You have SpongeBob and Patrick. Who else is there? Is there anyone else
Hi,
there?
Dermot. Here, let's open them.
You want to see? Whoopsie.
Say they read.
Blues Clues?
Tell everybody they read my name on the radio this morning.
There you go. Toys.
Want to take a bath?
Did he do that?
Yes, he did.
Kermit.
No, no, no!
So carefully. I'm sorry. Get over here. Hi, Dee. How you doing?
Oh, where's the other one?
Well, he threw something. There were 3 packages. Oh, there's one on Siobhan's seat.
I'm back!
Okay, Dermot. Okay. Okay.
Here you go, buddy.
Okay, there's one more present. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I think you'll like this one. Dr. Seuss, Color Shapes. It's a box. Open it. Cards. See. Can open it up. Get the cards out. There you go. Here's your cards.
Star.
Oopsie. Cards, yeah, Star. You see shiny? Shiny shapes? Yeah. Shiny shapes. Square. Hi. Blue square.
Look at the red one.
Say, I'm a big boy. What's there? Square? Where's the circle? Where's the circle? Circle? You see a circle? You'll pick up the circle? No? Oh. A square?
You said red.
Circle? Circle. It's an oval. 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 Say, I'm a big boy. Yay. Say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you. Okay. Dog. You're right. There is a dog. A dog. A dog. Upside down dog now. Dog. Very good. Let's see what else. Yes, I know it's a dog, honey. I was looking for another picture. Okay. Say bye-bye, camera. Yes, the dog. Bye-bye, camera. Okay.